Hey guys, I'm Mary Fitmas and welcome back to Vlogmas. I hope you guys have been enjoying it thus far. Today's video, I'm going to be doing an IG controls my life. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, please do so you can take part. These fun activities where I post polls on my story and you guys get to vote on what I do. And then of course I film the process and post it here for you guys to see how it turned out. But I love having you guys weigh in and choose what I do for the day. It's super fun for me. Without further ado, let's head back to this morning when it all began. Good morning, you guys. But I'm about to check the polls so that I can see what I'm wearing for the gym today. So I posted my polls yesterday afternoon because I wanted to make sure I can get in as many votes as possible. I'm actually kind of voting for the Rosewood, but we'll see what the people wanted. So these are the options. I actually just filmed a mini Honor Active haul, so you guys will probably see that video before this one. I can't remember how I have it planned out, but you guys will see me go over these pieces. But let's go to Instagram. It's evergreen. Oh my, I wanted Rosewood, but I really wanted the Rosewood because it's a completely new set. But let's get dressed. This is what evergreen looks like. The reason my top and bottoms don't match is because I've had this top for some months and I just got these bottoms. So they don't match 100%, but they are the same color. This one's just been washed a handful of times, but I love these leggings. I'm wearing my Uggs because I just went to start my car because there's frost on my windows and I hate cleaning my car. So I'm warming it up. I also got ready for the gym. I'm wearing this cute zip you guys have seen 1,000 times by now. It is from Halara. I love it. It's so cute, so comfortable, so sleek. The shoe dilemma is because I don't know if I'm doing arms, upper body, or lower body today. So let's hit up the polls. Okay, I knew it. You guys love lower body. Every time I do this, it's always lower body, which is perfectly fine. So I'm going to wear my flat shoes for lower body workout. And honestly, I'm looking forward to it. So let me get my shoes on and then we can head to the gym. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds bling. And I also just ate a banana. We have arrived. They said saying it, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said saying it, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, put the lights up. Nearly 10:30 and I'm ready to eat. So let's pull up the polls. Let's see what the people have decided. It's your civic duty to vote on my polls, okay? For some of the polls, I have a preference, like what I would want to do, but like, I might not get to do that thing. The smoothie is 50-50. And then for breakfast, it's on the breakfast I didn't want, which is protein, French toast sticks, and fruit. Like, I really wanted an omelet, you know, like a light eggy omelet with some mini pancakes and fruit. The protein French toast sticks is actually the easier breakfast because it's microwavable and it's less work for me. But what am I gonna do about the smoothie? Should I do a random name picker? Random name picker. And berry smoothie, banana smoothie. And I click to spin.
saw it here first, folks. Banana smoothie is the way to go. So in place of milk, I've actually decided to use one of these Fairlife 30 grams of protein since I've been out of protein powder for a while now. This is gonna be my protein. I could have definitely added more banana or something like that, but this is fine. The caramel flavor actually pairs really well with this combination. Literally microwavable. Place French toast from single layer on a microwave safe plate. Single layer. Fruit. Alrighty gang, so we are back. It is noon now. I've taken a shower, I've brushed my hair a little bit, and now I'm ready for some coffee. So I'm going to pull up my poll. So for this poll, I put Starbucks versus Dunkin', and I put what drink I would be getting if I went to either of those stores. Both of the drinks would be my first time trying them. So to vote to the people and see what they say. Oh, the vote is 70-30 for freaking Starbucks. We have a lot of Starbucks stands. Oops, that's me. Oops, that's also me. We have some Starbucks stands. I actually like Dunkin' because it's cheaper, but we're gonna head to Starbucks. It's gonna be a toasted white chocolate mocha. The line was actually not too long. Normally it's always like out the hoot nanny, like so long. Hi, can I please have a grande white chocolate mocha, please? I think, does that have peppermint? Is that the
yeah, you can get peppermint with it.
Yeah, I think I want the one with the peppermint, please.
Yeah. All right, what else would you like?
That's it, thank you so much. No, I don't know if I ordered the right thing. I think I ordered the wrong thing. This is supposed to be toasted white chocolate. Oh my God. I rehearsed it and then I forgot my drink.
There, you have the peppermint white mocha?
Yes.
You'll like it. It's gonna be 706.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Stopper for the top.
Yes, please.
Card.
Thank you.
Have a great day and an awesome weekend.
You too, thanks. I feel like that was the nicest guy I've ever like had at Starbucks. He was so pleasant. Like it was giving Chick-fil-A. Like I feel like he had a past job at Chick-fil-A with how pleasant he was. Let's see if it's good. Yeah, so I just realized they added something to my drink that I didn't ask for, and that's why it was $7. That's why I don't like Starbucks. Like $7 on a freaking coffee. I don't like chocolate very much, but they freaking added chocolate curls. I don't like chocolate curls. Look at this. Disgusting. I don't even like chocolate like that. That's why I get the white chocolate mocha. Disgusting. Yeah, the chocolate ruins it for me. Okay, gang, so it's about 2 p.m. right now, and it is time for lunch. A late lunch. I actually got a Panera gift card from work for being an exemplary employee, so I put up on a poll if I should get Panera for lunch or should I cook lunch at home. 38.62 for making lunch at home. You know what, like, here's the thing. Y'all want me to live my best life. You know, like, even if I want to have Panera, y'all want me to be healthy, do the right thing, and eat at home. And that's why I love y'all, for real. So I think y'all really want the best for me, and like that's why I appreciate it, because obviously it's the healthier option to eat lunch at home. Some rice, green onions, some baby carrots, and sliced ribeye meat.
Let's go outside.
Carrots.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind.
I do have to admit, this probably will be better than Panera.
Christmas in my heart, but this year
Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, because that supports me and my channel, which I so appreciate. And of course, subscribe for more Vlogmas, 12 videos every other day until Christmas. I am so appreciative that you guys watched my video, and drop a comment to let me know you dropped by, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
is it? No,